Here we are with AirTools and Airspaces. Now, before we start, let me tell you that the Airspace files will go on the Digifly's internal memory. They will not go to the external SD card because this is the only way we have to ensure that the Digifly has that information at all times. If you are flying in the USA, even though the internal memory has lots of space for airspace files, you will not be able to fit the entire country's airspace files into the instrument. So we suggest you create individual files for the area or a couple of states at a time. Now, the open air files, they are text files. Let me show you one. This is what they look like. You can open them on the notepad and it's text information, very light and very simple. I have created this file, which is quite short for this example to make everything a little quicker. Now, once you have your file, you open your AirTools. You take your Digifly and you go into the main menu and down to AirTools. You select AirTools by pressing OK, and you get the blinking message saying that your Digifly is now ready to talk to your computer. You open a file, load from file, and you will get the Airspaces folder from your Digifly folder, and you see the default opening will take you to Digifly Airspaces file, but if you click on this drop-down menu, you will find the open air format. I click on that and here you see the different files I have. And here is my Florida tutorial file. I click on that, I hit open, and here I have a list with the names of the airspace files and the type of airspace files. Now, if you look at this side of your AirTools, you will see that you can select or deselect the different airspace types. So if you find out that in your area there's a couple of types of airspace that you don't really need to bother with, well, you can unselect those and make your file shorter and lighter. Let's look at an example. You see that it says danger down here. Now, I'm going to unselect that and you will see these disappear. Gone. Now I'm going to put them back on and you will see them. There they are. So, like I said, you select what you need, what you don't need. We recommend you always set auto search COM. That way it will be easier and faster. Your Digifly Air is ready to receive information from the computer and you simply hit upload to Air. There it goes. Down here you follow the whole procedure. It erases the previous airspaces, it writes the new ones, and when it's done, it's going to tell you it's finished. It's going to tell you how many kilobytes it uploaded to your Digifly Air. And here we go. Airspaces upload finished, 44.76 kilobytes transferred. That's it as far as uploading airspace files onto your Digifly Air. Quite easy, isn't it? Now, in order to have your Digifly process that information, let's exit the AirTools menu here. We go to main setup, and there are three parameters that concern the CTRs, the airspaces. So the first one is whether it's on or off, enabled or disabled. By default, it's on 0, which is off. You press OK to enter, and with the scroll arrows, you select one and you exit and auto-save at the same time. Now, the CTR information and airspace file managing is ready, is set up. The other two parameters, CTRD and CTRH, like the help text here says, they are warnings. So by default, they are on 400 meters, but you can change these by entering, and with the arrows you select a new value. It can be more or less, and then you exit and it auto saves it. What this means is that when you will get within that range, either horizontally with the D CTR or vertically with the H CTR, you will get a warning and a message on your screen. That same message you can look at when you go to your map instrument page, which is usually by default on page 12. Or if you've put that instrument in a different page, you will see it on that page. So whenever you're on a map instrument page and you long press the OK button, you will see the CTR message. There it is. Right now there are no messages. But if I was nearby or within that warning area, I would get all the detailed information of my CTR. Well, that is our initial guide. Just to get an idea of what the CTR would look like when you have your map page on and you are nearby, or like this image shows, the route goes right next to an airspace. You get this drawing so you get an idea of what you will be encountering on your route. For more information, remember to visit www.digiflyusa.com, or if you want to go to digifly.com, which is Digifly Europe's website. You can contact us and send us email or visit our frequently asked questions page as well. We hope this has helped, and we'll see you soon in other videos. Bye.